Hi, I'm here to walk you through how to take your post-UTME exam. So you log into your admissions portal and this information here, the first, you click on it and you get redirected to OAU for web test. And then you log in using your normal credentials. Please, when you are logging in, ensure it is the same credentials you used for your admissions portal that you used to log into OAU web test. And so you click on take exam. Then you have to download secure exam browser before clicking on this link to download your configuration file. So after you click on secure exam browser download, it will automatically download the browser to your system where you then install. But kindly note that you can't open the browser itself alone. You have to open the configuration file which we are about to download here before the safe exam browser will work properly. So now we click here to download the configuration. Now you click on the configuration file that was downloaded, open file. Please ensure your system has a microphone and camera access. So you click on enter and then you see this. As you can see, I have an image already uploaded here, so I do not necessarily need to take another picture. So I'm going to skip media test. But for all who don't have images uploaded here, please ensure you take your picture before proceeding. So I skip media test and I click on start. On the exam day, you can click on start for the post-UTME examination. Yes, but since we are doing a mock review or a mock walkthrough rather, we click on start for OAU post-UTME mock examination. So after you do that, we click and then we wait. So we are going to be redirected to the actual exam after it finishes loading. It's taking a while, so you just have to wait and be patient. You hear? Patient. Please also ensure that during the examination, your camera should not be blocked. Your microphone should be working. If they are not working, then you will be disqualified or your results would not be released. Please stick to that. This is the current interface for the web test. And over here you can see that I am being monitored, so please ensure your webcam is active. And so we start picking questions, we start picking answers to questions. Sorry, yes, for all who require a calculator has already been provided, so there would be no need for you to carry a scientific calculator whatsoever to use. So please ensure your eyes are always on your screen. The moment your eyes leave your screen, we are going to take that as a malpractice and you shall be flagged, and you wouldn't be able to see your results at the end. And so we click on next. And you can see the timer, it's going. So ensure you stick to the time. If you don't, you will be logged out whether or not you complete the exam. So you click on next. I click on an option. I click on next. And again. So when you are done, you click on finish or submit. After you click, you will see this. Are you sure you want to submit? So just because I don't want to click on yes right now, because I still have time, I'm going to click on no. And it takes me back to the exam. And as you can see, I have some questions unanswered and I still have time. So I am going to finish answering my questions. This is 10. So now, because I'm done with answering the questions, I will click on yes. And please give a rating. Neutral. Click on submit. And you see you have completed your examination.